Hello students, welcome to Mithu Maths classes. Your question is, find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equals to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which is perpendicular to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equals to 0. So, you are given a curve. Let this be the curve y is equals to x cube plus 2x plus 6. So, we have to find the equation of tangent to the curve. Let this be the tangent to the curve at P. Tangent at P, which is perpendicular to the line this, and this you are also given that this tangent line is perpendicular to a line L, that is x plus 14y plus 4 is equals to 0. So we have to find the equation of tangent. Now to find the equation of tangent, let P x1 y1 be the point of contact. Let P x1 y1 be the point of contact. Now, since your tangent line is perpendicular to this line L, so let us find out the slope of L. Now, the slope of L is equals to minus a by b, that is minus 1 by 14. And since your tangent line is perpendicular to the line L, so the slope of tangent will be equals to, आप L के slope का reciprocal और negative कर देंगे, then you will get the slope of tangent. Now you already know the slope of tangent, but you have to also find the point of contact x1 y1, and for that you know that you can also find out the slope using the equation of the curve, derivative of the curve. So we have your curve is y is equals to x cube plus 2x plus 6. Now differentiating y with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to 3x square plus 2. Now the slope of tangent will be equals to derivative at p, and that is equals to 3x1 square plus 2. Now we know that the slope of tangent is 14, and we already also know that the slope of tangent is 3x square plus 2. Now equating 1 and 2, 3x1 square plus 2 is equals to 14. This will imply that x1 square is 12 upon 3, that is 4, or x1 can take two values plus or minus 2. Now when x1 is equals to plus 2, आपके कर्व में, in your curve, when x1 is 2, your y1 is 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6, that is y1 will be equals to 8 plus 4 plus 6, that is 18. So your point P will be equals to 218, and you will get another point where tangent is perpendicular to this line when x1 is equals to minus 2, because x1 can take two values. So when x1 is minus 2, your y1 will be equals to minus 2 cube plus 2 times minus 2 plus 6, that is minus 8 minus 4 plus 6 minus 12 plus 6, that is minus 6. So your point P will be minus 2 minus 6. Now you know the point P. point of contact, and you also know the slope of tangent, that is 14. So the equation of tangent at 218 will be y minus y1 is equals to slope m into x minus x1, and that can be written as 14x minus y. This is minus 28 plus 18. So minus 10 is equals to 0. This is the first tangent line. And also from at this point of contact there will be another tangent. So the equation of tangent at minus 2 minus 6 will be y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1, and that is equals to 14x minus y. This is 28 minus 6, 22 plus is equals to 0. So this is another tangent line. So two tangents are possible such that your tangent is perpendicular to the line. This.